Hi, boys and girls. I'm not sure what happened in the last video, but we're going to go ahead and start with the first question. I know that we probably already went through it in the first video, but I'm not sure where it cut me off. So let's go ahead and go through it. So we've got 2 ones plus blank equals 110. So how many ones do you need to put with 2 ones to make 1 stick of 10? You would need 8 ones. So 8 ones plus 2 ones is the same as 10. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. All right. The next one says 2 tens plus blank equals 100. So 2 tens plus 8 tens equals 100, which would be the same as 20 plus 80 equals 100. All right, the next one says 110 is equal to blank plus 6 ones. So how many ones would you need to put with 6 to get 10? To get to 10, you would need 4. So 110 is equal to 4 ones. That's the same as 10 is equal to 4 plus 6. The next problem says 100 is equal to how many tens plus 6 tens? Well, up here we know that 4 ones plus 6 ones makes 10. So 4 tens plus 6 tens would equal 100. So we have 100 is equal to 40 plus 60. All right, the next problem says 3 ones plus 7 ones. So you ask yourself, what's 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is 10, and 10 is equal to 110. 3 tens plus 7 tens would be 10 tens, because 3 plus 7 is 10, so that would be 10 tens. 30 plus 70 is 100. Now we have 13 tens plus 7 tens. Well, I know that 3 plus 7 is a stick of 10, plus another stick of 10 would be 20 tens. 130 plus 70 is 200, because 20 tens would be equal to 200. All right, let's look at letters D and E. I want you to pause the video. I want you to do these on your own, and then I want you to unpause and check your answers. All right, let's look at our answers. So 6 ones plus 4 ones equals 1 stick of 10, which means 6 plus 4 equals 10. 16 tens plus 4 tens is 20 tens, which is the same as 2 hundreds. So 160 plus 40 is 200. Letter E, 12 ones plus 8 ones is 20 ones, which is 2 sticks of 10. So 12 plus 8 equals 20. And then 12 tens plus 8 tens is 20 tens. 20 tens is 2 hundreds. So 120 plus 80 equals 200. All right, let's take a look at the back of our page. Problem 2 says 9 ones plus 4 ones. So the first thing I'm going to ask myself is, what's 9 ones plus 4 ones? 9 plus 1 plus 4 ones is 13, which is 110 and 13 ones. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Next, I'm going to ask myself, 9 tens plus 4 tens is 13 tens, which is 103 tens. So 90 plus 40 is 130. All right, next problem says 4 ones plus 8 ones. So 4 plus 8 is 12. That's 110 and 2 ones. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then it is asking me 4 tens plus 8 tens is 12 tens. So that's 102 tens, which means 40 plus 80 is 120. Again, I want you to pause the video and I want you to try letter C on your own and then come back and check it. All right. So I know that 6 ones plus 7 ones is 13, which is 1 10 and 3 ones. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. I also know that 6 tens plus 7 tens is 13 tens, which is 100 and 3 tens, which means 60 plus 70 equals 130. All right. The problems at the bottom say fill in the blanks and then complete the addition sentence. The first one is started for you. So we've got 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 70 is 100. So then what they did was they took the two numbers that they added, 6 plus 7, they added those together to get 24 plus 76 is 100. So let's look at this one. It says 24 plus 6. Well, I know that 4 plus 6 makes a 10, so that's 130. And then 130 plus 70, so 3 tens plus 7 tens is 100. So that's going to make this be 200. Now I'm going to add my 70 and my 6 together to get 76. So I know that 124 plus 76 is 200. Okay, let's try the next one. We've got 7 plus 3. We know that 7 plus 3 is 10. And then we've got 10 plus 90. We know that 9 plus 1 is 10. That makes 100. And then if we add 100 more, that makes 200. Now we've got to add these together. We've got 100 plus 90 is 190, plus 3 is 193. So 7 plus 193 is 200. All right, letter D. 70 plus 30. 7 plus 3 is 10. So that makes 100. 100 plus 90 is 190. And then 190 plus 10 more would be 200. So if we add those together, we get 90 plus 10 is 100. Plus 30 is 130. So 70 plus 130 is 200. All right. There is one problem left. I want you to pause the video, try it on your own, and then unpause and check your answers. All right, if you're back with me, you're ready to check. We've got 38 plus 2 equals 40. 40 plus 60 equals 100. 100 plus 30 equals 130. If I add these together, I get 30 plus 60 is 90. 90 plus 2 is 92. So 38 plus 92 equals 130. Our next one says 98 plus 2 equals 100. 100 plus 6 equals 106. 106 plus 40 is 146. If I add these together, I got 40 plus 6 is 46. Plus 2 is 48. So 98 plus 48 is 146. All right, you are going to find your exit ticket. Let's see if I can find it. Here it is. Your exit ticket, lesson 17. Looks like what you see on the board here. It also, I'll show it to you up close. You've got lesson 17 exit ticket. You're going to do that on your own. Attach a picture of that to this assignment. And I will see you back tomorrow for lesson 18.